A dramatic twist in a high-profile case. Assistant Commissioner of Police Calvin Brutus, under investigation for financial misconduct, has just withdrawn his challenge to unfreeze $500 million from his bank accounts. Here's what this could mean for the case moving forward. Today, we're covering a major development in the case surrounding ACP Calvin Brutus, who's been in the spotlight amid allegations of financial misconduct. Recently, Brutus withdrew his court challenge to unfreeze millions in his and his wife's bank accounts. We'll break down the details, from ongoing investigations to the wider legal implications, so let's dive in. Assistant Commissioner of Police Calvin Brutus, already facing intense scrutiny, recently took a significant step by withdrawing his legal challenge to lift a court order that froze multiple bank accounts holding approximately $500 million. This move comes as part of an ongoing investigation into financial misconduct, with the accounts in question belonging to Brutus, his wife Adonica Alder, and their business interests. The couple had initially filed suit against high-ranking officials, including the Attorney General and members of the Special Organized Crime Unit, SOCU, arguing that the freezing of their accounts amounted to victimization. In his claims, Brutus highlighted what he views as unfair treatment during the investigation, alleging leaks to the media and a lack of due process. Despite these concerns, he ultimately opted to withdraw the case, leaving many questions about his next steps as the probe continues. This recent withdrawal marks the second case Brutus has abandoned in the past few months. In October, he dropped a separate constitutional case against various state agencies, where he had alleged victimization and breaches of natural justice. The decision to withdraw these cases, particularly given the substantial financial implications, has sparked public curiosity and speculation over his strategy moving forward. The investigation into Brutus has drawn attention from various public figures, including Vice President Bharat Jagdeo, who dismissed Brutus' claims of victimization and suggested any disclosures by Brutus would have little impact. Jagdeo's comment, "He could let out cats, dogs, pigs, anything that he has and he wants to let out," underscores the confidence of government officials that Brutus claims would not implicate them. Meanwhile, the Attorney General's chambers recently noted that Brutus still owes court-ordered payments related to a previous case he lost. In that case, he had sought permission to travel with his wife to the United States for medical reasons, but the court ruled against him and ordered him to pay a total of $750,000 in legal fees. The AG's chambers warned that if this amount remains unpaid after 6 weeks, further legal action will be taken. Beyond these ongoing legal battles, Brutus and his associates, including his wife and driver, have also faced criminal charges in the Georgetown Magistrates Court. The charges include misconduct in public office, larceny, and money laundering, with Brutus personally facing a total of 30 charges and granted bail exceeding $6 million. His wife, who is currently pregnant, faces 2 charges of money laundering, and other associates are similarly entangled in the case. Altogether, this web of legal troubles points to a challenging period ahead for Brutus as he grapples with both criminal and civil actions.